project and made another customer happy. So we actually done the fence in the grass. The fence done horizontal and 8 feet high. It's actually against the law. The law is 6.5, but both neighbors agreed to make it 8, so they are okay with the 8. So as you see, we have like 6x6 posts, 8 feet. We poured 4 bags of concrete, so it's pretty solid. You can see it. And also, this part has to be done later because the electrician guy is coming and has to fix the plugger, so we can do it later. Also, this is like 75 linear feet of horizontal fence. We did a new grass over here. As you can see, it's fresh. Still cannot be able to walk on it, but it's okay for now. And so this is we did this for free for the customer. We planted cedars along the fence, so it gives a little bit look of garden. And as you can see, the job was done properly. Everything looks clean and perfect. So just want to say, stay with us and you're going to be happy. Thank you, Captain Henry.
Hi, my name is Cyrus. I'm one of Alex's customers. He built me an 8-foot horizontal fence, 73 linear feet. Very happy with it. Brand new grass, sloped all the way to the back, so I don't have any more flooding and puddling. My grass was looking awful before. Planted those 5 cedars, installed a new gate, and I'm a very happy customer. I really recommend you use them.
Not bad, 'cause I sight for my soul.